Welcome lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time seeing your face, you're welcome, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always returning back to my channel. This is Chibli Skin and Body Secret channel. Do not mind this pop here. Girls month, you understand, right? Yeah. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the video. Today's video is for those that want to lighten up their skin, that want to lighten up their dark area, their tights, their underarm. Because this soap lightens the skin, it exfoliates the skin, and also repairs the skin. Yes, I gave it a name, which is advanced whitening paste soap. I don't know what you can give yours or you want to use at all. Do well to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you very much. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the video. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you. Like I said earlier, I gave this soap a name, which is the advanced whitening paste soap. So you can give it any name of your choice. Yes. What makes this soap an advanced whitening soap? I said it earlier that it exfoliates the skin, it lightens the skin, also lightens dark areas, underarm, dark tight, and rough skin. It's also a skin repairing soap. It is a skin repair soap. Yeah, it repairs the skin. So I'll be listing the ingredients you need to make this soap. Like I said, you can give it any name of your choice. Please do not mind the background noise. So the first ingredient on my list is our African black soap. You need 1 cup of our African black soap, or 1 wrap. Let me just say 1 wrap. So the ingredients you'll be needing is our black soap, 1 cup of our African black paste soap. Yeah, you need kojic acid. You need 1 spoon of it, 1 tablespoon of kojic acid. You need 1 tablespoon of lactic acid also. You need half teaspoon of your turmeric and also your aloe vera gel. The turmeric and the aloe vera gel is the brightening ingredient in it, while your kojic acid, your lactic acid, and your soap is the base. Okay, that is the main ingredient in this soap. Can you see it? I did not pick too many or too much powders. I selected it carefully. Alright, so if you're making yours, please be careful. I wanted to give this video or this ingredients in percentage for those percentage, but for those that would like, okay, measure in spoons, measure this, measure that, that is why I am giving in spoons, in tablespoons. Okay, the turmeric is half tablespoon, and also the aloe vera gel is 1 tablespoon. Okay, aloe vera and turmeric are brightening agents and also repairing agents, okay, in the soap. Yeah, then the repairing agent is the honey, almond oil, vitamin E oil are the repairing agents in this soap. You need 1 tablespoon of your honey, 1 tablespoon of your almond oil, and 2 capsules of your vitamin E oil. These are the repairing agents in the soap. All right, the aloe vera gel and the turmeric are the brightening agents. The kojic acid, the lactic, and the soap are the base. Did you see how I selected these powders? Simple and easy. Not be the one we go to pack powders, but no. Okay, no. You can see it's advanced. Pick. All right, so let's go straight to the method on how to make the soap. First step is to match your black soap till it is smooth. Then you add your aloe vera gel, you add your honey, and you add your oil. The thing to do is to add your kojic acid and your lactic acid. Then the next step is to add your turmeric, little. Like I said, half tablespoon of your turmeric. You add it together into a smooth, creamy paste. Yes, no lumps, but not too watery. Okay, make sure your soap is thick but spreadable. All right, so this is how to make our advanced whitening paste.